Alright my people, how far how una dey? I don carry another update carry come. Today for this particular video, I go like talk about this particular app wey dem dey call multiple survey. So I don dey see plenty videos. Everybody dey talk about multiple everywhere I go. So I say make I see whether this particular app dey work for Nigeria, whether how this app go take dey work for Nigeria and how people wey dey Nigeria go fit use am. Mind you, this one no be tutorial, this one na review. This one na my personal opinion about this particular app after I don use am for some time. So now wetin I wan show una for this particular video. So if you dey interested, make you calm down, watch this video from the beginning to the end. If you dey see me for the first time, my name na Solomon. For my channel here, I dey talk about different updates wey go fit help my people for Nigeria and Africa as a whole. Make sure say you like this video, share this video. Don't forget, make you subscribe to my channel so that you go dey collect plenty updates for my hand. Oh yeah, make we continue. For this video, I go tell una wetin be multiple and the earning potential wey dey inside this particular platform, and also the payout and everything. And I go also tell una the pros and the cons. And before I continue, make you know say this platform no go make you rich oh. Me, I no be financial advisor. This one no be financial advice. Now wetin wey dey work for me, right? I just come here to come share my experience. So if you think say you wan try this platform, make sure say you fit do some more research based on when you dey watch this video. So our first topic, wetin be multiple. So multiple na survey platform. So for this multiple, dem get survey. So they say if you take survey, they collect money. If you dey play games, they collect money. And if you dey complete other small tasks like that, they collect money. So now wetin multiple be all about. Dem launch this app on the 18th of March 2024. So which means this app don dey for like 1 year now on Google Play Store. Online survey and Nigeria, they no be friends because you get plenty survey platforms where they are available. Once you carry am come Nigeria, you can't like say na income be the worst. Make we see the earning potential where this platform gets. Whether this platform fit dey okay for us to use or whether na another complete waste of time. You understand? This app been dey my phone for like 2-3 months now. I no con dey use am. Recently, I don't see as people dey hype am too much of hyping up and down. Now I say make I go use am. Be like say get wetin I dey miss. Make I go see am whether this one sef go work for me, because you know say me sef I dey like update well. The first thing wey dem say make I do, they say make I sign up. I use my Google account, I carry sign up. Now the first thing wey I do be that then just open my interface. I see 1 minute survey, so I take the survey and surprise, as I complete the survey, they give me the 800 naira for my account. So they send another survey, give me 800 naira again. I take a 6 minute survey, so my balance can't climb 1,600. I no con see survey again. So they can't give me another option. They say make I play game. So those games, they make money from those ads where they run, and you sef you can't go play those games, then go comot some of those ad revenue share give you. But I never play any of their game before. The only thing what I don't do here na survey what I don't take. The first way if you use any what I don't see here na survey. The second way na through their game. So then get affiliate program here where we say if you invite your friends, make you use my referral code. I go drop am for screen give you, or I go drop my affiliate link for comment section give you, make you join. If you want the tutorial of this particular platform, make sure say you join my Telegram channel or you join my WhatsApp group. You go collect the tutorial. This one no be tutorial. This one na just my review, my own opinion about this particular update. And the next thing I want to talk about here now their payout option. If you comot your money here with gift card. Another thing I can notice here be say their gift card no dey like other platforms. The minimum amount for you to comot your money here na 11,000 naira. Now I can't see here. So it means say if you get 11k, you go fit comot your money for this particular platform. Wetin can make me dey happy na say this gift card na local gift card. Wetin be the pros and the cons of this platform? Number one pro can be say if you navigate very easy, very free, and very nice interface. Anybody wey no sabi anything about survey fit use the platform. Another thing I can notice here be say this one dey fast more than some other survey platforms. You know, like other updates where they go disqualify you from the survey very fast. Another pro wey I can like be say their gift card wey dey here na local gift card wey be say if you just go any of the local companies around you, go redeem your gift card. And another pro can be say this platform they are available for so many countries, a lot of African countries, plenty countries. So now some of the things wey I like about them. 11k dey high, you understand? 11k dey high. If they feel make am like 5k, it for make sense. Another thing I no con like about the platform be say this their gaming offers where they here. So if it dey based on location, how wish they feel put like bank transfer, you understand? If for the okay, because if I man no like give una, no be everybody sabi use gift card. If I want comot money, I go still come here come do another video say my people, I don comot money finally o. So I just say make I just share this update give una, so that if person like survey updates, if you try this one with me. So tell me what you think about this survey updates. You like am, abi you no like am? You don dey use am? You don comot money before? So tell us what you think about multi-poll survey for comment section. I go see una for another video. Bye for now.